That inspiration is like an explosive going tick-tick in the mind. It explodes and then you might just be surprised at what you can find. But that doesn't happen to me often. I get stuck and then I debate about it for a weekend. So I think of my life and my accomplishments being cut with a knife. For me, inspiration hits like a hurricane, a hurricane. Whoa, whoa, a hurricane, a hurricane.
Inspiration is rare in my life and also could be rare in yours. Who said artistry is easy, easy peasy, lemon squeezy? It's difficult in the way that you need to get inspiration anyway. We try not to copy each other, but we accidentally do it sometimes. If we do something similar to one another, don't come at other people because almost everything has been done.
It's rare to find something that inspires you. So keep pushing forward and always follow through. Doing art in different ways is difficult too. But we need some inspiration sometimes. So don't give up your dreams of becoming an artist. You might just find some inspiration. Like a hurricane, a hurricane. Whoa, whoa. Like a hurricane, a hurricane, a hurricane, a hurricane, a hurricane. Like a hurricane.